Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen, where we chopping up food and conversation, Dr. Sebi style. Stay tuned, we're about to get it in. All right, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be cooking up something really good for you guys. Some southern style kale. It's an old spin on my grandmother's green recipe. I know a lot of people don't really get into kale, but I'm going to have a way to cook it southern style, healthy, and have that down home mama's tasting food you're going to love. So let's get it started. Alright, the ingredients we have today is crushed red peppers, about a teaspoon of crushed red peppers. We have smoked sea salt. Good, give it that hickory flavor, give it that meat flavor that people be craving when they want to have some meat in their greens without the meat, okay? This is what you need. Alright, we have 2 teaspoons, or tablespoons that is, of onion powder and about a cup and a half of diced onions. And of course, pre-cut kale. You can get it whole, but I chose to get it pre-cut so to make it a little quicker and we can move along a little faster. So it's about a bag, roughly about a pound, maybe a pound and a half in the bag. It's already washed, all ready to go. So this is what we do to get that southern style flavor to kale. Cooked healthy, good for you, good for the body, good for the body, good for the body. Okay. We got pot on medium-high heat. We're going to spray a little grapeseed oil in there, about a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. And we're going to start sauteing the onions. We're going to put that in there, sauteing. Let that get it going. Give me a little spoon over here. Get that sauteed over here. Grab me something to saute. We'll saute them for maybe about 5 minutes till they get nice and translucent. You know, gives it more flavor. You're going to put that in there and saute it for about 5 minutes. You know, keep that going like that. Yeah, this reminds me of back in the day when I was in the kitchen cooking with my grandmother. She would tell me to get a little bit of this, get a little bit of that, get a little bit of this. And I'll be like, Grandma, how much? She just slapped me on my head and said, boy, just get the rest of the stuff. I know what to put in it. So you know how Grandma used to do it, man. She makes something up, don't need no measurements, don't need nothing, just need you to just do what she say. And that's what I did. You know, I did what she said. And she would see everything with her eye. Everything with her eye. She didn't need no measurements. She just was she just been cooking it so long she could just do it just by looking at it in her hand and say, oh, that's enough. Alright, we got them translucent in there. We're gonna go ahead and put the smoked sea salt in there. Go ahead and get that going like that. Once that's translucent, got that going like that. Ooh, give it that nice flavor in there. Then we're just gonna go ahead and put the kale up in there. Put the kale up in there. And we're gonna add about 6 cups of water. Just basic enough to cover it up. Cover it up real good. Get that going. Because you know what? The kale is gonna boil down. So you might want to put a little bit more water in, a little bit less in there, but the kale's gonna boil down. We go ahead and put all that kale in there after we saute the vegetables and everything. Put the smoked sea salt in there. Put that in there like that. Then we gonna go ahead and put the onion powder in there. And once this all boiled down, then you're gonna come back and stir it up real good. So you put a lid on it for about, I would say about an hour, 45 minutes on low cook. Once you get it to simmering and boil, then you turn the fire down real low, come back, we're gonna check it out, see how it tastes. Alright, my people, we got the greens. They're boiled down nice and tender, ready to go. Like I said before, with seasoning, it's always the taste. What I gave you is a guideline to start with. A guideline, just like my grandma would say, guideline, boy. Don't ask me no question, just get what I tell you to get. I know what I'm doing, and I would just do it. Alright, we got the kale right here, all ready to go. All that's left, my people, is to taste it. Alright, let's taste these good old greens, kale greens, you know. Man, That's how we do it at the Chop It Up, baby. Chop It Up kitchen all the time. Flavorful. Good for you. Dr. Sebi approved. I don't know what else to tell you. But to like, subscribe, and share. As always, people, your health is your wealth. Stay tuned to the next video. Stay tuned to the next video. See you next time. I'm going to get back to these Southern style kale. Oh. Whew. Man, I got to go. I got to go.